starting a new business and need guidance on how to create an effective business plan? A business plan is a roadmap that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections for your business. The first step in creating a business plan is to conduct thorough market research to understand your industry, customers, and competitors. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, it's time to define your business's mission and vision statements. Next, identify your target market and clearly define your unique selling proposition to differentiate yourself from your competitors. After that, outline your marketing and sales strategies, including how you will reach and attract customers to your business. You also need to include a detailed analysis of your competitors and explain how you plan to gain a competitive advantage. When it comes to the financial section, you must project your revenue, expenses, and profit margins for the next few years. Don't forget to include a breakdown of your startup costs, such as equipment, inventory, and marketing expenses. Remember to create an organizational structure chart that outlines the roles and responsibilities of each member of your team. A good business plan should also have a contingency plan in case things don't go as planned. In addition to these key elements, you should also include a SWOT analysis to assess your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Once your business plan is complete, make sure to review and revise it regularly to adapt to any changes in your industry or market conditions. Creating an effective business plan requires careful planning, research, and analysis, but it is crucial for the success of your business. A well-written business plan will not only help you secure funding but also guide your day-to-day operations and decision-making. So, take the time to craft a comprehensive business plan and give your business the best chance of success.